Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Kalyani Living Tree which is located right here in Bangalore Aerospace Park North, Bangalore, and the project is developed by Kalyani Developers. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office of the project and now the land parcel is whole over here in 25 acres. And now let me introduce you all with Housey. So what is exactly Housey? Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, ultimately which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is developed in total 25 acres of land parcel, constructed with 10 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 24 floors, with 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located near to New Airport Road in KIADB Aerospace Park in Bangalore, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will connect you towards New Airport Road in just 200 meters. So you can connect to Bangalore Road in 700 meters from the project. Vikrant Hospital is 800 meters away. St. Fran's School is 1 kilometer from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like here's the cricket ground, badminton court, football ground, multi-purpose court, clubhouse 1. So basically there are 2 clubhouses with all the indoor amenities. And there is maximum of open space in the project plus many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So this project offers you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies, where 1 BHK of 576 is completely sold out. 2 BHK starting from 1041 to 1054 square feet super built up area. 2.5 BHK starting from 1135 to 1143 square feet. 3 BHK starting from 1316 to 1927 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Kalyani Living Tree, which is located right here in Bangalore, North Bangalore, a project developed by Kalyani Developers.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.